Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Arjun Mulsani and my NPM is 212153036. I'm from Physic Education, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Siliwangi University. In this opportunity, I will give a brief overview of classical physics, relativity, and quantum physics. I prepared this video to complete my English class assignment. Physics is a big subject that covers a lot of different topics ranging from galaxies in space to down to subatomic particles. Physics can be broadly broken down into three main sections, namely classical physics, quantum physics, and relativity. I will start with classical physics. One of the scientists in classical physics is Isaac Newton. His law of motion explains everything about how objects can move. And Isaac Newton also discovered the law of gravity on Earth and in space. He also invented calculus, a very powerful mathematical tool and very useful for solving problems about physics. Newton also made strides in the field of optics used to focus light in telescopes, microscopes, and camera. Then in classical physics also discussed electromagnetics, fluid mechanics, energy, chaos theory, and thermodynamics. It is an explanation of classical physics. Classical physics has been very helpful in solving problems in life. However, not everything can be solved. There are still many things unsolved. For example, like Mercury's orbit is a little too fast and some strange things happen on the small scale with electrons and light all explained. Physics at the time felt that they had to solve this problem immediately, so scientists at the time outlined the new domain of relativity and quantum physics. Albert Einstein was a genius who developed the special and general theories of relativity. Special relativity predicts that the speed of light is constant for all observed, which means that when a person travels very fast, strange things start to happen like time slows down. It also states the energy and matter are different aspects of the same thing. General relativity says that space and time are part of the same cloud called space-time, and that the gravitational force coming from objects bends space-time, making other objects fall toward them. Besides that, other physicists are also busy working in the of quantum physics. Quantum theory was first expressed by Max Planck in his scientific paper in 1900. In this branch of science, we will deal with various subatomic atomic scale to study the characteristic of a particle. Quantum physics is famous for its difficult. How not? In this one branch of science, we have to leave immediately the classical science concept that have excited for centuries. If in classical physics every object in motion has a definite fact, then quantum theory says otherwise. In the quantum realm, each particle does not have a definite trajectory as it moves. Maybe that's all I can say. Hopefully it's useful. And I thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.